Hi, I'm Tom Coughing, and thank you for coming. We're going to learn about the Nexus in the next 6 minutes. First of all, it's a query tool that works on all systems. Look at all those beautiful systems in my system tree. I'm going to query many of them simultaneously. We just queried Yellow Brick. Now let's query a Teradata system. It comes in a new tab. There it is. Now we're going to go with Snowflake. It's going to come in a blue tab because that's the system color. And let's do a vertical tab so we can see multiple windows. And there's the answer set. But the brilliance behind Nexus is once you get an answer set, you can do so many things to it within Nexus. Let's pivot this answer set. I just drag and drop the columns of the answer set into the Nexus pivoter, and I'm going to be able to see grand totals, subtotals, sums, and there we go. This is great for business users. Business users love spreadsheets. We have the Nexus spreadsheet, which is even better than a spreadsheet because I got all my calculations where I'll just point and click. I can get 80 different analytics calculated by Nexus, taken on any and all answer sets. We're going to rank this sales totals right now, and we're going to see all of our analytics. I'm going to get 3 reports almost done instantly because Nexus does the calculations for you when you just drag and drop. Now, watch this. I can take any answer set and I can share it with 10,000 people if I want. I say I want to share it. I put it in the shared folder. I can put a password to it. And now when people come in the next morning, they go, hey, our reports are here. And there it is instantly for them. Now, graphing and charting is very important. So I can take any answer set and we're going to graph and chart it, not just with one pie or line chart. Let's do all types of charts and put it in our dashboard. And we hit create instantly. We can see this data visually. I can scroll it. I can see it in a presentation. And now I'm graphing and charting. I can move data and create tables. I can take any answer set. All I do is drag it over to the Teradata system. It's going to create a table on Teradata and move that data to the Teradata system. But moving data is where Nexus excels. I'm going to move this table over from Teradata to Yellow Brick, and Nexus will do all of the heavy lifting. All I have to do is pick the source target and say execute. Nexus is going to convert the table structures, the data types, actually move the data with a fast utility, and when it turns green, it's moved. But we have many large companies moving 10,000 tables a day from their ETL teams because we have the Nexus server. I go, I want to migrate data, and it goes, okay, from which source, from which target? Look at this. Those are all the tables in the source that I can move from. And I'm going to pick, let's go with Teradata. And here's all the systems I can move it to. And we're going to go with, let's go with Snowflake. I just pick the source, the target, tell it the database and the schema, pick the tables I want to move, and there's over 80 different ways we move this data, and we are set to go. I can schedule this. I can do it immediately. I've got all kinds of options. Let's just move this immediately. Let me show you how this is going to look. The Nexus is literally going to take every table and begin to convert and move that data. If it turns green, you know it's moved. That's why we're able to move 10,000 tables a day with that kind of ease and precision. So when it comes to moving data, Nexus does it brilliantly. Now we're going to take this really to an impressive state. I just pulled in a table from Yellow Brick, and it shows me what it joins to. All the tables are visual now, and each time I pick the columns I want to see on my report, the Nexus builds the SQL, and that's done for me. But even better than that, because we can query every system, because we can move data between and convert automatically, we're going to be able to join tables from every different system. This is a Yellow Brick table. I'm going to join this to a Teradata table. And again, all I have to do is pick the columns I want to see on the report from 2 different systems, and Nexus is going to bring this back almost instantly. I'm going to make this even more clever. I'm just going to do almost like an internet search of customer. Nexus is going to show me every system where customer is customer name, customer number, customer timestamp, and in every table, there's my yellow brick, there's my Teradata. Here's where it has in Oracle, Netezza, MySQL, Postgres, Azure, every system. But this is a live tree. I can go to Snowflake and say, hey, I want to super join builder this, and I've got a Snowflake table. Let's join this with a yellow brick table. They join on customer number, and now I'm doing federated queries right here and now between multiple tables from multiple systems, and you're going to get your answer set. Nexus queries every system, moves data between every system, and can federate queries across every system. And the brilliance is you've got your Nexus. You can command the Nexus server to do things for you. It goes out and queries those databases or moves the data, and it comes back to the PC. We should really work together because we've got some exciting products. Let's set up a proof of concept. Just email me or call me, and we'll set up something where you can try it yourself and become a Nexus customer.